I haven't touched the ads once. I haven't had to make any improvements to it.
The lead should be like $27. Like that's normal. We're at $4, man. That's what I call money glitch. This dude banked $250,000 cash.
Figures out the marketing and then goes out and does the advertising work for you. And you literally just show up for the results.
It's really become the mainstay of our business because our clients really love being able to quickly jump in, create multiple campaigns, and then have AI do the heavy lifting to direct the budgets.
But the biggest thing is we're able to test creative so quickly and have that agility.
You could run campaigns directly through the app for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you need. I definitely recommend it.
On the same day that I literally was on the trial, I phoned up everyone on my team. I said, drop everything. We're going to find out how we can incorporate this into the business.
Since I've started using Plai, I have noticed about 50% increase in inquiries and phone calls. I don't have time to be trying to figure out, Facebook or Instagram individually on running ads. I want to spend more time selling homes and helping people, and Plai has allowed me to do that.